Hello, everyone. This is Maureen, and welcome back to another day of praying through the darkness. Isn't it nice whenever you've been on a long road trip, and whether you're stopping for the night in a hotel or you finally reached your destination, say you're going to visit family or friends, to know that there is a place waiting for you to be able to relax, to take a shower or a bath to get all the dirt and grime and sweat, whatever it is you've been doing, off of you. I mean, talking about having a wonderful, already prepared place for you. Well, today we are going to talk about a wonderful place that is prepared for all of us Christians who believe in Jesus Christ. Now, in John chapters 14, verses 1 through 3, this is one of the last promises that Jesus made to his disciples. Let not your heart be troubled. You believe in God, so believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you to myself, that where I am, there you may be also. Isn't that wonderful? I mean, before he even came to earth, he already had all of these rooms prepared for those who were going to receive him. And what I mean by receive him, I mean accept him into their hearts and lives, to be willing to open themselves up to the love and mercy that Jesus shows towards us when he died on the cross. I mean, he was already anticipating each and every one of us that have made that choice. And I can only imagine. I mean, and probably if you would admit it as well, when you get to thinking about your home in heaven, it's not going to be, it is not going to compare to what we can imagine, is it? No. I mean, my place doesn't have to have any gold or silver or rubies or diamonds or pearls or emeralds or anything. In fact, I don't even have to have a house or a room at all. Just knowing that I'm going to be able to walk through those pearly gates of heaven, be there to see my family that's gone before me, be there to sit in the choir with the angels and sing forever of the love that God has for me. That's all I need. But to know that Jesus has already prepared that place long before I was even born or thought of, folks. And the same for you. Before we were even created in God's image, there has already been a place for us set aside, because we made the decision to follow Christ, to fulfill the plan that he has for our lives. You know, there is nothing better than knowing that you are that loved and that wanted, that a place is already prepared for you. There's no cost to it except being willing, being open to accept the sacrifice that Christ made for us. I'm sure that for the disciples, it was very hard for them to imagine a life without Christ. I mean, they might have been with him for, say, 3-4 years, if even that long, following along with him, seeing the miracles that he performed and listening to his words of how much our Father loves us. So as he was nearing his end, he wanted his disciples and all that had come to him to know that he wasn't leaving them. He was going to be gone for a little while, but he was going to prepare a place. Now, I believe that that place has already been set aside for us, that it was set aside from us for the very beginning. But Christ wanted to reassure all of his followers that He wasn't going to forget them. No, 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 no. He had come to not only save their souls, but to also reassure them that where he was going, they were going to be there as well when it was their time to come home. And that's the same promise that is offered to us today. For those of us that are Christians, there is a place in heaven already set aside for us. And Jesus, I feel like, is going to be right there at the gate with our families, welcoming us home and showing us this beautiful place that he has set aside for us. In a fast-paced world where life changes frequently and quickly, help me not to lose sight of the long-lasting values that remain unaltered, Jesus. You did not come to pacify the wealthy and stroke the egos of the powerful. You came to heal and save those who were needy and lost. Your love is boundless and knows no measure. It can't be bought or sold. You give to us freely, to all who would receive you. You have prepared a place for all of those who you came to save, and I am included in this. When I am struggling to believe, let my heart be open to your faithfulness. You have not failed me yet, and you won't start now. I don't want to be troubled by the timeline, for you are still working your good works in me. So, Lord, strengthen my heart to trust you. I don't want to be overwhelmed by worries. Flood my mind with your peace, my heart with your love, and my body with healing. Do what only you can do, and make the wrong things right, Redeemer. Show up and show off your love for me today. A place prepared for you and me so that we can live out eternity with the one who gave his all for us. A place prepared. Isn't that a wonderful thought? I think so. Let me remind you that these daily devotionals that I bring to you each day come from this little blue book that's put out by Broad Street Publishers. You'll find a link for it down in the description box. All you have to do is click on it. It will be a great addition to any little devotional books that you may like to read through each day. Thank you so much for being here with me. Please be sure to hit that like button and share out the video. Not because they're my words, folks, or for any notoriety for me. No, that's not why I want you to share these out. I always believe that we can think of just one person who needs to be offered words of encouragement. So that's why I always ask that you be sure and share it out to just one person. You never know. Could be the words that they were needing to hear today. So remember that when Satan wishes to tear down your home, don't let him do it. Jesus has already promised that he has prepared a place for you. No one can take that away from you. And remember, I love you. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.